Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to be installing and testing the Flux.2 Klein 4B model. I have to tell you right now, this is hands down the easiest workflow ever to follow. There is absolutely no complex setup involved, and once we get it running, you'll be able to generate stunning full HD images in just 20 seconds. We're going to run this entirely for free using this Google Colab notebook I've customized for you. We'll start by going to the AI with Chucky GitHub repository, look for the Comfy UI optimized notebook, and click the Open in Colab badge to get started. Once we are in Google Colab, the first thing we need to do is check our runtime. Come up here and make sure we are using the T4 GPU, then click Save. Next, run step 1 to set up the environment. It is super important that you check the Use Google Drive box. This connects your drive so that everything we download gets saved permanently. You don't want to have to re-download these massive files every time you open the notebook. While that is processing, go ahead and run step 2 to install the Comfy UI Manager. Now, scroll down to the Smart Model Downloader. This is where we need to input our specific model files. Head over to the official Comfy UI Workflow Flux.2 Klein setup page. We need 3 specific links. First, grab the text encoder. We are using the Qwen24B Safe Tensors file. Copy that link and paste it into the text encoder URLs box in Colab. Next, we need the distilled model itself. Copy the link for the Flux.2 Klein 4B FLFP8 file and paste that into the UNET diffusion URLs box. Finally, grab the VAE link and paste it into the VA URLs box. Make sure those are in the right spots and then hit run. This will download about 12 gigabytes of data. But remember, since we mounted Google Drive, you only have to do this once. The next time you launch this notebook, the files will already be there. Once the downloads finish, scroll down to the 4th cell called No Disconnect. This is a little trick I added. It plays a silent audio file in the background. This keeps the tab active so Google Colab doesn't think you're away and disconnect your session while you're working. Make sure this is running. Finally, run the last cell to launch Comfy UI through Cloudflare. Wait for the logs to load until you see the trycloudflare.com public URL. You should note that you may see multiple public URLs in the logs. The first public URL is the one you need. Click that to open your interface. Wait patiently while the Comfy UI page loads. When Comfy UI opens, it might look a bit basic. We need to load our specific workflow. Go back to my GitHub. Navigate to the Comfy UI Workflows folder and download the Flux.2 Klein 4B JSON file. Drag and drop that right into your workspace. Now, before we generate anything, we need to tweak one setting. By default, this workflow is set to just save the images to your drive without actually showing them to you on the screen. To fix that, click the gear icon to open settings. Search for Preview and change the preview image format to JPEG and set the live preview method to Auto. This ensures we can actually see our creations right here in the browser as they happen. Alright, let's test this beast. I'm using Google Gemini to generate some creative prompts for us. Let's start with this one. A candid photograph of a woman in a bar. Paste that into the text node and hit Q prompt. Now, just a heads up, this very first image generation is going to take a bit longer, probably around 3 minutes. That's just the system compiling everything for the first time. But don't worry, once this first one is done, you'll be able to fly through generations. We are talking about 3 images per minute. That's 1 full HD image every 20 seconds. And here's the result. Look at the lighting on her face and the texture of the leather jacket. It is incredible how realistic this looks. Let's try another one now that the system is warmed up. How about a female superhero in a practical armored suit? Paste it in, run it, and just look at how fast that generated. The details on the armor and the city skyline in the background are top tier. One last test, a fairy tale woman in a bright forest. Again, 20 seconds later, we have this masterpiece. Look at that glow and the lighting effects through the trees. It captures the magical atmosphere perfectly. When you are done creating, you don't need to worry about manual saving. Since we linked our drive at the start, just head over to your Google Drive, open the Comfy UI folder, and look inside the output folder. As you can see, every single image we just generated is safe and sound right here. That is it for the 4B model. If you guys are interested, I'm hoping to make a video soon on the larger 9 billion parameter model, and I'll also be covering the image editing workflow next so you can add and edit images with accuracy and speed. Don't forget to check the video description for the workflow, Comfy UI Colab notebook and models. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.